this is my story with Pop-On Veneers. Um, I had my share of addiction on the streets here in Portland, and well, let's just say the years weren't too kind. I have, after also getting hit by a bus, I have some missing teeth, a crack that started as a little crack, grew into this, and then had a whole tooth fall out. So that's my smile right now. Yeah, I got the grills to cover it up. Yeah, they're solid gold and diamonds. I got the grills to cover it up because, why not? But then Pop On Veneers came out, and just a sec. They look a lot better than my busted teeth. I'll tell you that, and a lot cheaper than getting them fixed. Um, I wear these when I go out now. I got confidence to talk to people, and I don't try to shy away from talking to people. Pop on veneers, y'all give me my confidence back, especially to talk to the ladies because they don't like a mouthful of gold. Surprisingly. Yeesh. Anyway, hi, ladies. um, but yeah, it's giving my confidence back to go out in public and talk to people and not be insecure about myself. And hopefully this helps you out there make your decision about getting a set of these. Yeah, they pop on. You just clean them with a toothbrush. They're easy to clean. Mine came in this nifty little container right here, out inside the box. They sent me the molds, so if you need more, you can send your molds back. They'll give you, make you another pair. But these have definitely given my confidence back. Definitely a confidence booster. Um, for all those that sitting on the fence, this is definitely a good, cheaper way to fix your teeth than paying thousands of dollars at the dentist. Doesn't help for brushing your teeth though. Remind you, brush those teeth, because yeah, save yourself. Anyway, hope this helped you. My name is Jerry G. Appreciate your time.